How to add favorite channel on Hulu. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch a Hulu application or visit hulu.com, to which you'll be redirected to the Hulu website. At the top, go ahead and click on the Hubs section. So over here, first and foremost, find the channel you want to add to your favorite. You can browse to the suggested channels, or you can tap on the View All option. By that way, locate your favorite channel. Once you have located your favorite channel, you need to click on the three-dot icon right at the bottom of the channel. Then you will see the option Add to My Stuff. You have to click on the option Add to My Stuff. Your favorite channel will now appear in the My Stuff tab at the top of the screen. So this is how you'll be able to add your favorite channels on Hulu. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can reach out to the Hulu help and support. If not, go ahead and try this out right now. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.